The Nature of Universal Truths by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The exploration of universal truths that bind all of existence is a profound endeavour, one that has captivated the minds of philosophers, theologians and scientists alike throughout the ages. From a Blavatskyan Theosophical perspective, this inquiry delves into the intricate tapestry of existence, weaving together the threads of metaphysics, epistemology and ethical considerations. Theosophy, as articulated by H P Blavatsky, posits that there exists a fundamental unity underlying the apparent diversity of the cosmos, a notion that resonates deeply within the realms of analytic philosophy and transcendental idealism. Universal truths, as conceived within the framework of Theosophy, transcend cultural, temporal and spatial boundaries, suggesting that there exists a shared reality that binds all sentient beings. These truths are not merely abstract concepts. Rather, they manifest in the laws of nature, the moral imperatives that guide human behaviour, and the innate quest for knowledge that characterises the human experience. Theosophy asserts that these truths can be synthesized through a comprehensive understanding of the cosmos, which encompasses both the material and the spiritual dimensions of existence. This synthesis invites individuals to explore the interconnectedness of all life forms, fostering a sense of unity that transcends superficial differences. While universal truths are often framed as objective realities, the subjective experience of individuals plays a crucial role in the interpretation and understanding of these truths. Theosophy acknowledges the importance of personal experience as a means of assessing higher knowledge, emphasizing that each individual's journey contributes to the collective understanding of existence. This perspective aligns with the notion of autonomy, wherein individuals are encouraged to explore their own spiritual paths, thereby enriching the broader tapestry of human experience. By valuing individual experiences, Theosophy fosters a sense of inclusivity and diversity, recognizing that each person's insights can illuminate different facets of universal truths. The ultimate goal of engaging with universal truths is the attainment of enlightenment, a state of being characterized by profound understanding and spiritual awakening. Theosophy posits that enlightenment is not a destination, but a continuous process of growth and evolution, wherein individuals strive to align their thoughts, actions and intentions with the universal principles that govern existence. This quest for enlightenment necessitates a commitment to self-reflection, ethical living and the cultivation of wisdom, ultimately leading to a deeper connection with the cosmos and a greater appreciation for the interconnectedness of all life. As individuals embark on this transformative journey, they not only enhance their own lives, but also contribute to the collective evolution of consciousness, fostering a more enlightened society. In conclusion, the exploration of universal truth from a Blavatskyan theosophical perspective reveals a rich and intricate understanding of existence that transcends the limitations of conventional thought. By synthesizing insights from metaphysics, epistemology and ethics, one can arrive at a more profound comprehension of the interconnectedness that binds all beings. The recognition of these truths not only enriches individual understanding, but also fosters a sense of collective responsibility, urging humanity to act with compassion and integrity in the pursuit of a more harmonious existence. Ultimately, the journey toward enlightenment, guided by the principles of Theosophy, serves as a testament to the enduring quest for knowledge and the profound unity that underlies the diversity of life. As we continue to explore these universal truths, we are reminded of our shared humanity and the potential for transformation that lies within each of us, encouraging a future where wisdom, compassion and understanding prevail.